Okay, so you thought that I'm not gonna stream today? I will, because this is day number 60 of me showing how I'm building my business, and I think I'm live everywhere. Oh, yes, looks like it. Welcome to the day 60. Discord here, by the way. Let me send you link to the Discord server. Okay. Switching into the main mode. Uh, looks like you're not getting the right one. Yeah, now you see the right one. All right. Now you see everything's correct. So here, invite people, copy, and I'm gonna send this to the chat. All right, so what I'm building here Learn Apex. Learn Apex is an interactive platform for learning how to code. We already have few people using it. We already have few sales, one sale, and we brought few cool real adjustments. Like for example, progress bar. You can see how many tasks have you done. We are currently working on implementing trigger tasks here, and this is what I've been doing. Now, we had a kind of a stop here a little bit because I do need to get few new clients for one-to-one mentoring part, and for that, I'm gonna need to go and write few emails. And today I have spent the whole day basically trying to understand how a German public system works. Because side note, tomorrow I have a test for basically a test that you have to pass if you wanna get German citizenship. But we're going back here, and this is the email sequence that I have. Basically, what I realized actually a couple of days ago is that, look at this. I haven't sold anything in the last 5 months to anyone. I don't know, for whatever reason, I kind of feel that. So selling is painful. That's what I feel. I feel like I don't know, I just don't feel like selling. That's the problem. It shouldn't be like this. Selling is just normal. There's nothing bad in selling. You should be selling all the time. I should be selling all the time, especially because I have a service to sell. It's not like I don't know what to sell. I know what to sell, and I can deliver on what I sell. And I know that I have a program that really works well. But sometimes I'm afraid to sell. That's the point. That's the point. So today I'm gonna be thinking about sending emails, and I have already an outline of emails that I want to send. Wait, where is it? I think it should be in projects. Um, hmm, maybe Iris. Okay, let me go to, because I already had emails. Let me go and search for them. Oh, I think it's in the newsletter. Yeah, it's in the newsletter. Here, this one. Learn Apex, that's done. We don't need this thing. That's also something that we don't really need. Analytics, I'm gonna enable it for me. All right, so we have emails. We also need Hemingway app editor, I would say. Hemingway editor. And we have the first email done. The second email. What should be the second email about? I would say the second email should be about how I learned coding in 8 months. Yeah, I think it's good. And today's not going to be super big stream, but I hope you're still going to find it valuable because I'm showing you basically how I'm making the whole email marketing here, if you can call it like this. I don't know, I don't want to call it marketing or email marketing, whatever. I'm basically just sending emails to people who subscribe to the email list. That's it. It's not much more, not much more to it. Also, side note, the LinkedIn post that I did yesterday, we were uploading yesterday super in a rush, the whole thing, and I think it's performing very well. Let's have a look. Oops, where'd they go? Here, this one. This one. Doing pretty great, I think. 374 likes, which I really appreciate, guys. So thank you for everyone who is liking me on LinkedIn. That's exactly what is keeping me going. And this one is also doing great. So in total, 100,000 people have seen me in the last 7 weeks, which is cool. That's impressive. I don't know. I still can't. I don't know. I still can't believe that it's actually happening. That's the audience that I get and the amount of people see me. Just crazy. That's just crazy. But the point is that the amount of people see you doesn't really go directly into your pocket, right? You can't buy anything in a supermarket with the impressions, so it's completely useless. It's completely useless metric. It feels good, but it's useless. And yeah, there are definitely people who are doing way less impressions are doing much better than I do financially. So, all right. So the next email will be how I learned coding in 8 months. That's gonna be next email. Okay, how I got good at Salesforce development. Let's read this email through and let's see if I can modify something. Once I was working at a small company. First, let's put it into Hemingway app. Grade 3. This is wow. We should aim for a grade 5, I guess, but I mean, wow. It means that I write very simple English, which is good. The simpler the better, right? Because I remember when I was watching some videos on copywriting, people are saying, oh, most likely you're writing way too fancy. You need to downgrade your writing style to the 5th grade. And look at me, I'm immediately writing on the level of the 3rd grade. Nice. Okay, so basically this is a story. This is the story. This is a real story actually. Once I was working at a small company doing all the Salesforce things possible, doing all the possible things. It's at a small company. At a small Salesforce, let's be more specific, consultancy. Let's see, in Munich city center. It included fun things. It included working late, working many roles, sales consulting, working, covering, consulting, sales, marketing, programming, and every possible topic. Working every awake hour, working late nights and weekends. The team was great. Everyone was working a lot, and the team was experienced, and we had a lot of experience. Nah, that's and still, I was failing one task after another. It was very frustrating for me and the company. I always felt like I will be fired today because of my low performance. Every daily meeting, I thought, that's it. I am fired. But for some reason, they were keeping me despite my very low performance, basically. Despite my very low performance. I got so burnt out that I could not work at all. I resigned. After taking a break, I gave it a shot again. I gave it a shot again at another company, at another UK, at another, let's say, English consultancy with an office in Munich. And within 30 days, I was delivering real projects and making double X of my salary for the company. What changed? I got a mentor. A mentor. Within just 10 coding sessions, my mentor taught me all the missing pieces and showed how he was writing code in real life. So basically everything that he has learned for a very long period of time, he packaged for me in a like verbal form, in the coding form, and he showed me and basically transferred, let's say, 30-40% of everything that he knew, everything that he has learned in the last 10 years, or I think even more, like 12 years of writing code. He just basically packaged it for me and delivered to me. And then I had all the experience for like the last 12 years, and I didn't need to actually go and try to figure out everything on my own, because I had a mentor who actually showed me the way. Within a month. And showed me how to write in real life. Yeah, that's fine. Everything that he has learned in the last 12 years of his own Salesforce developer career, he showed me within a month. Of course, I still was working crazy hours. Crazy hours. But now I suddenly knew it. I can finally actually solve business problems with Salesforce. Nah, that's a little bit too blah blah blah. Of course, I still had so what I want. Okay, what do I want to say? What do I want to say? I want to say that I still had to do the job, right? I still had to go and work. I still had to go and figure out things on my own. Still was a lot of difficult stuff. But he basically shortcutted for me a year of my own learning into just a couple of months. To work a lot and learn many many things. But the biggest yeah, but he shortened for me the time to learn all of that from 1 year to just a couple of months. That's the power of mentoring. Yes, you can learn everything on your own, but it will take you so much longer. If you're really serious about the path, getting a mentor is the biggest life hack. Pina, hi, hey, hey. So you say family in Florida, like, are you actually in Florida? Or is it just the name of your channel? I'm good, I'm writing. You're living in Florida, nice. Nice. It's Florida. Looks quite cool. Florida. It's Miami, right? Weather. Nice. It looks quite. Doesn't look like a lot of sun, but at least it's at least it's 26. Getting and yeah, the weather is really nice. That's yeah, that's the cool part. Let me put here some. So therefore, if you are really committed to a certain path, find a mentor. Salesforce development, find a mentor, and it will be the best. The best accelerator for your career. If you're truly committed to Salesforce development, find a mentor and it will be the best accelerator of your career. And I just have Evaldas finishing my mentoring. So if you want to I want to take 2 people to work with me one-on-one and make your skills and teach you everything I know. And teach you in to work with me one-on-one. I don't know how to phrase it actually. I just have Evaldas finishing my mentoring. Evaldas just finished my mentoring. I want to take 2 people to work with me one-on-one. Like what do I want to do with these people? I want to teach, and I can do a lot of things. Here we go. I can do a lot of things. I can teach them from complete zero to make them so that they can code in a couple of months. Or I can also bring someone who already knows how to code, and I can make their skills much better. I don't know what should I do out of those things. It kind of depends what do I want, right? Kind of depends what do I want. I really don't care that much. So I want to improve their Salesforce development. Apply here if you want to be. If you want to work with me. I think it's good. Now we need to do a few things. So first we need to go and create an application form. And I think it's called... How's it called? Poly? No. Maybe it's called Poly? Polyforms? No. Let me check in. So I found basically, you know these type forms, right? Look at this. Type forms. You definitely know type form. Okay, not type forms, type form. Definitely know type form. And if you look at the type form, they are so expensive for nothing. For like literally nothing. If you want to have 100 responses per month, it costs 21 euros. What for? Like really, what for? Like this is nothing. This is just a type form. You can code this thing in a weekend. This is, I don't need nothing fancy. And if you want to have like 1,000 responses per month, then it's already 46. It's what the hell? It's so strange. So I found a free tool, and the free tool I saved somewhere here a name. Let me find the name. Tally form. Tally. Yeah, exactly. It's called Tally. So the simplest way to create forms. Let's see. Let's sign up. Let me sign up here so that you don't see a lot of my data. Okay. It asks me for verification on the email. All right. What kind of work do you do? I'm educator. Am I educator? This is interesting. Am I educator or business owner? I would say I'm more like an educator. How did you discover Tally? I think it was Reddit. I think it was Twitter. Yeah, I think it was Twitter. Continue to dashboard. Let's do that. Create form. Oh, it looks a lot like Notion. Works like a dog. Wow, nice. I mean, I hope that it's gonna work because I'm not gonna pay like $20 every month that I want to use just 100 responses. What the hell? Form title. I don't need anything fancy. Just need an application form that's gonna give me emails of people who apply. Mentoring application. Okay, so let's say what is how many years of experience do you have? Nice. I really like how it works. It's real like a Notion. Like they even have very similar icons here. Drop down, I guess. Go away. Option 1 would be 0 to 1. Option 2, I would say 5 till 10, and 10 plus. Wait, so it's like not multi-step form? Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so what do I, okay, before I actually do that, what do I want to ask people? Questions. What questions do I want to ask people when they apply for one-to-one mentoring? First, how many years of experience is the first? Second, what is your goal with Salesforce development? How much time per week you could invest into mentoring? How much money would you be willing to invest to get better? get better per month. Why I want to phrase it. I don't know how to phrase it. Why should I work with you? Like I don't want to take very random people. But I also that's kind of like a little bit attacking question, right? So I don't know if you should be asking it in that exactly way. Maybe something else. Why should I work with you? But this is what I want to ask. Like why exactly you? If 10 people apply, why should I mentor you, not someone else? Right? How much money would you be willing to invest to get better per month? How many years of experience? What is your goal with Salesforce development? How much time per week you could invest in mentoring? How much money would you be willing? How much time? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to rephrase them better. Any message to me? And also another interesting country. That's also interesting. Okay. And ChatGPT can you rephrase these questions so that they sound. Can you rephrase? If I say rephrase, it's gonna just use very fancy language. Can you check grammar on these questions? How many years of experience do you have? What is your goal in pursuing Salesforce development? Nah, that's bad. How much time per week could you invest in mentoring? Yeah, that's definitely better. How much time per week you could invest in mentoring? How much money are you willing to invest monthly to improve? Not sure if I should be asking this. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna cut it out. Why should I work with you? Particularly clear country. What is your country of residence? Yeah, that's a good one. That's definitely better. Do you have any message for me? And how could I say, but more politely? For mentoring, maybe some other ideas. It's not collaboration or partnership. No, I am the mentor. Yeah, damn it, ChatGPT. You're way too stupid, ChatGPT. No, no. Just no. No, I am asking a student, why should I pick this student, not someone else? But I want to phrase it more politely. Nah. Let's ask Gemini. Maybe Gemini is better at those things. I do have a good guy. He's here. Hey. Let's see, maybe if I describe it more clearly, like here, it's gonna get better. Let's see, ChatGPT. I'm gonna use ChatGPT Classic and let's see. By the way, did you notice it's been already quite a while since we had any type of improvement for ChatGPT? I think this whole OpenAI drama was actually maybe it's the reason, I don't know. Maybe they're just preparing something really awesome. What are you hoping to achieve by working with mentor in this field? Nah, this is bad. I'm gonna go for why should I work with you? Nah, this is so stupid. That doesn't sound great. Why should I work with you? Like it's like here you are. Why should I work with you? No, I know it's not polite enough. I'm honestly I just wanna ask people what's the unique about you that you think that you will benefit basically out of this mentoring. Like why should I kind of wanna that people think about what is about. And this forum is not so much about me. This forum is a little bit about the student as well. I mean, of course, I also wanna just qualify people. I don't wanna give my calendar link to everyone. I just wanna basically pre-qualify people. Are you back-end developer? I am. I'm more like a founder, I would say. But yeah, if you think about what kind of developer I am, I would say I'm more a back-end developer. I'm one. I don't know who I am, but I definitely know that I am not a front-end developer. That's the answer. That's the answer. Uh, why should I work with you? Okay, let's leave why should I work with you? Let's leave why should I work with you? Why not? Let's leave it. Let's leave it. Questions plus how many years of experience do you have? That's we already have this one, right? How many years of experience do you have? Is it like they're connected? Clave, thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Damn it, let's delete this thing. How many years of experience do you have? Can you explain me what type of content do you post? Why would you need an explanation? Just have a look. Just have a look. Watch a couple of videos. What is the goal? Salesforce development. It's gonna be longer. How much time per week could you invest in mentoring? Actually, you know what? Let's actually ask about the budget. What is your budget for learning Salesforce development? How much time per week could you invest? You know what? Here's I had an idea. I have an idea in my mind. Let me write it down. Let me write it down immediately here. Ideas. Why just ask people in the form what do they want and what budget do they have to spend on getting there. I don't need to come up with I don't need to come up with the like basically stuff what people want. I just can ask people, hey guys, I'm not really sure what kind of one-to-one mentoring do I wanna have at this point. If you wanna have one-to-one mentoring, here's the form. Apply and let's form like a small group and see what's gonna be around. Is it a valuable? Is it a thing? I think I can do that. Like people just gonna tell me what do they want. Maybe and this is just an idea. What if people don't actually wanna have any type of mentoring? What people just wanna prepare and pass PD1, for example? That could be the reason. Thank you, Hiskim. Thank you. Maybe they actually just wanna pass PD1, or maybe they just wanna have LWC completely, or maybe they wanna have Apex. Who knows? I mean, I kind of suspect that a lot of people want to learn how to code. But I have never asked anyone, what do you actually want? I always was coming up with some kind of offers, and I was saying, hey, here's my offer, buy it. And then some people bought. But what if I ask people, what do you want to have? And this is what I want to do with this form, because what is your goal with the Salesforce development? And let's add here, what is your goal? What outcome would you want to achieve with mentoring? Okay. Let's... Can you check the grammar? What outcomes do you hope to achieve through mentoring? Yeah, this is good. This is good. Good stuff here. Hope you make it. Thank you. Thank you. This is so obvious that I have to ask people what do they want. It's not like I need to ask people what do they want, and then based on that I need to build a product, not the other way around. And in the last 2 years, I've been doing it the other way around. I have never asked people what they want. This is crazy how sometimes you see such obvious things and you're like, oh, okay. That was stupid. But that's good. That it means I'm growing. It means I'm growing. Watching from Greece, nice. The weather in Greece, from which city? The weather in Greece should be quite cool. I've been to Greece when I was a kid. Don't remember much though. Okay, how much time per week could you invest in mentoring? I would say not how much, how many hours. It's kind of rainy. How many hours per week could you invest? I mean, Athens. The most well-known city, right? Ah, that looks awesome. That looks awesome. I want to go to Greece. Because, you know, for whatever reason, Greece is kind of... Google Maps. So I'm in Munich, right? And we don't really go to Greece that much because, look, here's Italy, right? So it's much easier. I just go like this, and I'm in Italy. So it's so much easier to go to Italy rather than I need to go all the way here to the Greece and here to the Athens, I guess. But Greece is nice. I think the nearest I went to Greece is Cyprus, which is kind of partly Greece, partly Turkey, I guess. But actually, it's quite far away from Greece. Nice. Oh wow. Alright, so let's not get distracted because I can get easily distracted with this thing. The next is, what is your budget for learning Salesforce development? What is your budget for learning Salesforce development? I think I'm gonna have here drop down. And option will be Germany is boring. You say as if it's bad. What, you wanna have an super entertaining country? Go to whatever, I don't know what country is super super entertaining. US, Australia, those countries super entertaining. Weather sucks. I agree. Weather sucks. Nothing clubs. I see you want the clubs. Yeah, of course. If you want the clubs, yeah. Germany is not. Well, I mean Berlin. Berlin is for you then. For money, it's good. What do you mean? Germany's for money is good? I don't think that Germany for money is good. I think Germany is a bit overpriced. Because what kind of... Imagine what kind of good service you can get in other countries for the same money that you get a really, really bad service in Germany. Okay, what is your budget? Questions? Wait, no. €300 a day. Where? In Germany? Yeah, that's possible. Will they choose their mentoring price, or how will it work? No. This is just curious. I'm just basically not gonna include people who have like very low, very low, uh, yeah, just making expectations here for people for the mentoring. Frankfurt, 300 euros a day. Yeah, I mean it's reasonable. It's not over the top. It's what it's like 90k a year, right? Which is really good salary. Which is really good salary in Germany, I guess. Let's do something like this: 300, 500, 500, 1000, and 2000 plus. What I don't understand. What do you mean? What's G-Wagon? What's that? Short answer. You know what? For budget, I'm not gonna say anything, and I'm just gonna let people type in a number. Is the currency number? Question and a number. Per month. Wait. What's going on here? How many hours per week could you invest in mentoring? Number. Now this thing should be deleted. And here it's gonna be a number as well. Number. What is your budget? I think you should create the website using HTML and CSS. Why? What's your budget for learning? How many hours per week could you invest in mentoring? Why should I work with you? What's your country of residence? And the last one, do you have any message for me? Are you German? No, I'm not. How many years of experience do you have? What outcome do you hope to achieve through how many hours per week? What's your budget? Why should I work with you? What is your country of residence? Submit. Oh, wow. Oh, this is nice. Didn't know you... Oh, wow, this is nice. Full page. This is cool. Let's see how it looks. Nice. I mean, this is like a Google form, right? But it looks much nicer. But what I was expecting is gonna give it step by step. This is what I was expecting. And it kind of doesn't, right? Where are you from? I'm from Ukraine originally. I was really hoping that I would be able to have here different steps. I mean, obviously I cannot read this. Templates. Registration form. Nice. But this is a nice thing to collect. I could collect this way basically testimonials for my service. This is quite nice. I love it. This is so much better than Google Forms. I know, whenever I see Google Forms, they just give me... I'm like, wow. How-to guides. Let's see. I'm sure it's built on Notion. I don't know how. I don't know if they use some kind of engine or open source engine that is similar, but it definitely it is built on Notion. Like, I'm sure. Nice, this is good. They have good integrations. Nice. I mean, it's simple, but that's exactly what I need. It's exactly what I need. Look at this. They type there. How many years of experience you have? 5. I want to be a team lead, let's say. Team lead. Am I doing some kind of SMMA stuff? No. What is a SMMA? What is this SMMA? SMMA. Well, I see this guy and I know that's gonna be a little bit scammy. What is SMMA? Ha, nice. So social media marketing agency. Nope. Nope. Definitely not this. Team leader, team lead. How many hours per week could you invest in mentoring? Let's say realistically 5. What is your budget for learning? 2000. Let's say I want to have 100k on my account. My bank account. Why should I work with you? I have 2.8 million impressions on LinkedIn. What's your country? Germany. To have no, all good. Submit. Nice, looks great. Can I make one field here? Not required. This one not required. Required. Yep. Look at this. This is so good. What is the conditional logic? To have any? Nice. This is powerful. This is simple, but this is powerful. What are you building? I am building a coding school. I'm building coding school here. LearnApex.com. Now, before this coding school I can launch, I need to get few more clients basically. So that's why I'm doing this form. Nice, publish. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is so good. This is so good. I really like it. And submissions, and we will be able to see here submissions. I can even download them. Wait a second. Wait a second. email. There's no email. Okay, this is getting way too long. This is getting way too big of a. So I'm gonna remove this one. Why should I work with you? I'm gonna remove this one, and then I'm gonna a little bit reschedule them. So I'm gonna put the biggest one in the beginning here, and can put it here. This is, do you have any message for me? First your email, I'm gonna put it in the beginning. Here, your email. Do you have any message for me? It's gonna go here, it's the last one. Okay, your email, what outcomes do you hope to achieve through mentoring? How many years of experience do you have? I don't really need to know this information, I guess. I want to know this information. How many hours per week could you invest in mentoring? What is your budget for learning Salesforce development? Let's say per month. You know what? Let's not restrict people for any type of answers. Let's just keep it like this. What is your country of residence, and do you have any message for me? And we're capturing email, and I would like to capture the name of the person. I would like to capture the name, but that's not so important. I would rather save time here for the person, because the name is clear from the email usually. Sometimes not, but usually it is. Or let's do, you know what? Let's actually create here a short answer. Short answer. Full name. And here, this one. Let's change it. Let's change it. This whole thing. Let's change it to multiple choice. Or drop down. Should be drop down, multiple choice. Multiple choice. In the Salesforce ecosystem. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Let's say 1 to 5 and 5 plus. What do we have in the Salesforce? Do we have with Salesforce? How many hours per week could you invest in mentoring? We can also make it, to make it more, yeah, to make it better, we can actually make it more like a questionnaire, because it's definitely gonna be linear scale. Look at this, insert. Nice, this is good. This is good. What was the question there? How much time per week could you invest in mentoring? And scale start, scale end. Let's say scale will end at 40 and the step will be 5. Let's say 20. What's your budget for learning Salesforce development? What is your country of residence? Yes. Publish. Now that's much better. Now that's something. That's something. Good night, Lalit. Alright, now we need to set up a few more things. I'd say one more thing. We need to set up the cal.com. Okay, so my profile, yep. But I want to change email. I want to change email to the Igor dot. Or can I calendars? Can I? Add calendar, Google Calendar. Oh wow, there's so many calendars. Nice. I don't understand this. Delete. I don't remember creating it. I don't even remember that I have there an account. 5 million subs. That's way too much. I don't wanna have that much. Okay, Europe, Amsterdam. I'm not sure that I'm in Amsterdam zone. Am I in Amsterdam zone? Sometime? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, good. Start of the week. I don't know who came up with the idea to make a start of the week on Monday. Doesn't make any sense. Why would you start a week on your last free day? Like, what the hell? Last so indexing dynamic. Okay, so this is. Why is it using AM and PM? I don't want to use AM and PM. 24 hours format update. Yep, that's much better. Okay, Monday. Yeah, I would say I'm even available a little bit later till I would say 21. That's quite. Fine. Okay, a new schedule. Let's say it mentoring. No, okay, I'm gonna do it later. So actually I need to set up this whole thing here because it looks much more promising, and I don't want to use calendar because it's so You need to pay for it. I'm cheap. I don't want to use it. What is the routing form? Nice. This is really cool. It's basically that you can make here a form, and then based on that, you can... Nice. Okay. Bookings, upcoming, and confirm. Okay, event type. Okay, let's do an event. Let's say quick chat. Duration 15 minutes. Buffer time 5 minutes at least. Minimal notice, I would say, yep, at least 4 hours. At least 4 hours. Okay, let's... Because within the 4 hours, I'm pretty sure I will be able to respond to any meeting. Okay, let's say save. Let's do 1 day. I don't wanna, like, minimum 1 day. Like, no, thank you. I'm not really sure what are those things here. Yeah, remove app. I think this app should be working. Yes, yeah. No. Turn in. Okay. Yep. I mean, this whole thing, it looks so much more powerful than Calendly. This looks good. No, I think it's already good. Look, you can even set here recurring. This is cool. This is cool. Apps. I really like this whole thing. I definitely should... maybe I'm gonna switch completely here. Because it gives me much more flexibility than Calendly. Let's say I wanna have here a new schedule, mentoring unlimited. Mentoring, yeah, just mentoring tier with people. Because for mentoring tier, I'm gonna even wake up at 8 for mentoring tier. I can even wake up at 8. And I can stay up to 2022. This Friday. Apply. Save. And here also a few things. Okay, then bookings. No, event type. Now I need to create the event type. And I'm gonna say mentoring. Duration will be 55 minutes. Sofu, hi, welcome. Oh, the only one thing, can I have here Zoom? Yes. Install. Because I do need to have it as a Zoom. I'm good. How are you? Okay, for mentoring, Zoom video. Availability, and here we're gonna have mentoring tier. Save. Okay, recurring. Yeah, that looks good. Now give me a link and I'm gonna test it out. One thing that I'm missing is that I wish I could set it so it would start 5 minutes later all the time, but I don't see an option to do that. Look at this. It looks exactly like Calendly. I like it. Looks better. Nice. Look at this. Awesome. Then here for the event type, I can copy the link and let's see. Quick chat. Nice. Awesome. So now here on the tally form. Oh wait, no, I don't need to do that. I'm gonna just manually send here questions, and on the questions tally form, and then CAD link. It's the CAD link. Awesome. Alright, I mean, that seems to be quite a good for today. Today's not gonna be, as I expected, not gonna be a huge long stream. But I will be back as always tomorrow and after tomorrow, and tomorrow I have a quite a test. And after the test I'm gonna be streaming as well. And on Sunday we're gonna do again a coding stream. I think I'm not really sure about the topics right now, but we're gonna have something really cool, probably with integrations. I want to go deep into integrations this time. That's it for today. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.